everyone. So these are local chicken eggs.
Hen
eggs. A friend of mine gave them to me. So we have decided to make the Goan rava cake or the bath with them. So please join us in the making process.
And subscribe our channel.
So according to the measurements, for the bath we need 3 eggs. However, since these eggs are a little too small, I am considering using 4. But it might change depending on the consistency. If it gets too runny, I will not use the 4th. Then we need 250 grams of grated coconut or 2 cups of grated coconut. Then we need 250 grams of rava or 2 cups of rava. We need 125 grams of sugar or 1 cup of sugar. We need
Cow ghee.
3 tablespoons. We need elaichi powder and vanilla essence. So what we did was we creamed the ghee with the sugar and then we added the eggs and the coconut and we blended it. Now in this we are going to fold in some rava. This is the consistency that we should look for, but the color is just divine. Using local eggs has made a whole lot of difference. I have never got this color using the other broiler white eggs, never. So I'm very happy with the color of this cake. So now we have to just wrap it up and leave it in the fridge overnight. Tomorrow will be baking day. Shape bath, why not? This goes in the oven at 180 degrees and we check it after 20 minutes of baking. And this is the beautiful result. Tastes better than it looks. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.